Hi guys, so I'm starting with my foundation already done. I use the Benefit Hello Happy foundation in the color number 10. This is my third time wearing this and I do like it. However, sometimes I do find that I get oily throughout the day. And I'm also going to be using the Benefit Boi-ing highlighting concealer, and I'm using this in the number 4, and I really like the color of this highlighter. However, it does crease pretty bad. So I'm starting off with my eyes, and I'm just going into my Crayon case eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that tan color, and yeah, just working that into my crease. And I forgot to mention that I set my face with my normal setting powders that I normally use, and everything will be linked down below. Next, going into this ColourPop pressed eyeshadow in the color Cannonball, I'm just going to start working this into my crease as well. I'm really trying to concentrate it mainly like a little above my crease, not taking it too far on my eyelid. And then I'm also going to bring it around a little bit into my outer V. Then going back into my box of crayons eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the color blue, and I'm just going to start applying that all over my mobile lid. So I used a bigger eyeshadow brush first, just to kind of get all of the surface space taken care of. And now I'm going in with a smaller flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm being really precise around my crease area. I really wanted this to be semi-cut crease-ish. What am I talking about? So I want it to be a semi-cut crease, but y'all know I'd be struggling, but I did kind of want that really defined contrast between the orange color and the blue color. So I'm going in with that flat brush and just really taking my time and carving out my eyelid, and I'm making sure to not blend the blue into the orange and tan. I'm going to go back in with that orange and blend it into my crease more, and also clean up and deepen my upper crease. Going back into that eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the color brown, and then I'm going to deepen my outer V any more, and start to blend that into the blue. And for my inner corner, I'm going to go in with the color gold and just apply that to my inner corner. At first I thought it looked a little too bright when I first started doing it, so then I went in. Actually, when I'm looking at it on camera, it doesn't look bad. I was just tripping. But I'm going to go over it with this highlighter that I'm going to use on my face later. And then I applied some liner and lashes off camera, and I normally order my lashes wholesale from AliExpress, and I'll link the vendor I use down below. Now we're just going to finish the face. I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and just set the rest of my foundation and clean up my highlighted areas where I was baking. Then I'm going to contour using my Black Radiance palette in the medium deep color. For highlight, I'm using this Black Radiance baked bronzer, and I'll leave the color down below because I can't think of it off the top of my head. I'm going to finish up my eyes, and I'm basically going to do the same color scheme on my lower lash line. So I'm going in with that blue on my inner corner, and then I'm going to go in with the brown on the outer corner of my eye, and then I went in with the orange and just kind of blended both of the colors. Went over both of the colors at the bottom. And then I also applied black eyeliner to my waterline and mascara to my bottom lashes. Now for lips, can you guess what we're gonna do? Yep, we're gonna do another nude lip. So I'm lining my lips with my brown lip pencil, and then I'm just going to use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb on top of that, and that was it, y'all. As far as my hair goes, I have reviewed this hair on my channel. I used it for my half up, half down hairstyle, however, and I used it for a ponytail look as well, but I took my leftover bundles enclosure, I made a wig, and I colored it like a burgundy color. But yeah, that's all the hair. If you want any more details on the hair, I'll link it down below, as well as my previous videos on this hair. But that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thumbs up for more Get Ready With Me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your notifications, and I'll see you ladies next time. Bye.